we will start the next chapter 10 time. Write the time in both ways. Minute parts the hour, minute parts the hour and also in minutes to the next hour. So here A bit is it's a 8 it's a 7:50 time. Time is 7:50. So it's a 50 minutes past 7 o'clock. So the small hand is in 8 o'clock. So past 7 o'clock. Next, second on the second bit here, it is dash minute to 2 means which come the next. After 7 which come the next 8. So it is to become a 8. How many minutes are left here? Here to here is 5 minutes and here to here is 10 minutes. So it is 10 minutes to 8 o'clock. Next the B bit is it is dash minutes past dash o'clock. So it is 10 minutes past 7 o'clock. So here it's a 10 minutes. So already 7 o'clock. So if the big hand is in a 12 means it's a 7 o'clock. But the big hand is in a 2. So 12 to 1 is 5 minutes. 1 to 2 is it's a 10 minutes. So it is 10 minutes past 7 o'clock. So it is dash minutes to become a 8 o'clock. To 8 o'clock, how many minutes are here? Here to here is 5, 10, 20, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. It's a 50. So it is a 50 minutes to 8 o'clock. Next the C bit is it is dash minute past dash o'clock. So it is up to here. It is 55 minutes past 3 o'clock. So here it's it is the 3:55. Time is 3:55. So it is 55 minutes past 3 o'clock. So it is 5 minutes to 4 o'clock. So draw the hour hands and minutes hand to show the given time. So here 3:40. So draw the watch here. So it's a 3:40. Up to here is 30, 35, 40. So it's a 3:40. Next 7:35. Next draw the 7 o'clock. Next 7:35. 1:45. So write the exact time shown in each clock. So here it's a 5. If it is in a 1 means it's a 5:5. So it's in a 5, 6, 7, 8. So here it's a time is 5, 8. So write 5, 0, 8. Next it is 7. Here it up to here is 55, 56, 57. So here time is 8, 7, 57. Next it's a 2, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. So 2, 38. Next it's a 7, 15, 20, 21, 22 and 22. Its time is 7:22. Draw the hands of the clock to show the time written below. Here it's a 4:44. So here 15, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. 4, 44. Next 7:35. So 7:35. Next 9 hours 6 minutes. So 5, 6. 11, 14. So up to here is 15. So here 11, 14. Express the time in AM or PM. So playing time, it's a PM. So it's a 4 o'clock in the evening. Evening means PM. Next, school assembly. The school assembly is a 7:15. So it's an AM. Next, lunch time. Lunch time is 1:20. So it's a 1:25. So it's a PM. Next, sleeping time, 9 o'clock at the night. So it's a PM. Next, fill in the blanks with AM or PM. Aarti wakes up at 5:30 AM. Next, Rishi goes to school at 8 AM. Here Lalit has dinner at 9:15 PM. Here grandfather returns from garden at 6:30 PM. So in the evening all will go to the garden for walk and return at 6:30 PM. Sorry, grandfather returns from garden at 6:30 AM. Sorry, morning walk. It's a morning walk. So it's a morning walk. It's a 6:30 morning. It's an AM. So Tisha has breakfast at 8:45 AM. Here Joy returns from school at 3 PM. Write the exact time here. Here the third bit is 2 hours after 8:05 AM. So 11:45, it's an AM. Next here B bit is 4 hours after 8:10 AM. So add 8 plus 4. So 8 plus 4 is, it's a 12:10. 12:10 means it's on PM. 1 hour before 10:55 PM. So subtract 1 hour in the 10:55 PM. 10 minus 1 is it's a 9:55 p.m. Here 3 hours after 12. 12 plus 3 is 1, 2, 3. So it's a 3 p.m. Here 2 hours before 12 midnight. So 12 plus 2. Then 14. 14 means it's a 2. Sorry, here 2 hours before, no. So we have to subtract here. Sorry. 2 hours before 12. So 12 minus 2. 12 minus 2 is, it's a 10. Midnight means it's a 10 p.m. Next here 12:05, here 1 hour after 12:05 midnight. So here after midnight means here we have to add 1 hour. So 12 plus 1 is, it's a 1:05 a.m. Next 2 hours before 1:20 p.m. So before means we have to subtract here. So 1 minus 2. 120 minus 2. Here 1 o'clock, 12 o'clock and 11 o'clock. So it's 11 o'clock, 20 minutes. So it's a p.m. a.m. Sorry, it's an a.m. Up to 12 it's a p.m. Midnight means at the midnight it's a p.m. After midnight it will start with an a.m. Convert the following into hours. So 7 days. So here 1 day equals how many hours? So here 1 day equals how many hours? So 24 hours. So 7 days equals how much? So here 7 into 24 equals, it's a 168 hours. So the B bit is 12 days. So here 1 day equals 24 hours and the 12 into 24. So 12 into 24 is 288 hours. Next the C bit is 17 days. So the 1 day equals, so 24 hours and the 17 days equals how much? So here 17 into 24 equals, it's a 408 hours. Next the D bit is 22 days. So 1 day equals 24 hours and the 22 days equals how many hours? So 22 into 24 equals, it's a 528 hours. Next convert the following into minutes. So here the A bit is 4 hours. So here 1 hour equals how many minutes? 60 minutes. Now 4 hours equals how many minutes? So 4 into 60 equals 6 4 the 24, 0 minutes. Next the B bit is 9 hours equals 60 minutes. Sorry, here 1 hour equals 60 minutes. Next 9 hour equals how many minutes? So 9 into 60. So equals 9 6 are so 54. So 54 and 10 minute. Next the C bit is 15 hours. So 1 hour equals 60 minutes. Next the 15 hour equals, so 15 into 60 equals, so 15 into 60 is, it's a 900 minutes. Here the third bit is convert the following as directed 10 minutes 20 seconds into seconds. So here we have to convert this 10 minutes into seconds. So here 1 minute equals how many seconds? 60 seconds. So 10 minutes equals how much? So here what we have to do, 10 into 60 equals, so it's a 600 seconds. This 600 seconds plus 20 seconds. So equals, it's a 620 seconds. Next the B bit is, so 12 minutes 40 seconds. Here 1 minute equals 60 seconds and 12 minutes equals, so here 12 into 60, it's a 720 plus how many seconds here? 40 seconds plus 40, so equals, here it's a 760 seconds. So here change into 24 hours clock time, 9:30 AM. So how we have written here, it's an hour, it's 2 digits are the minutes, and this one after this 2 decimal points, I mean 2 dots or a colon, after this before the colon is an hours, after the colons are the minutes. And if we have another here 2 colons and we have any numbers, means this is for the seconds. So here 0930 hours. So here 11:55. So 11:55 hours. So here 12 noon. So it's a no minutes, means 00. So it's hours. Next 5:35. So 0535 hours. Next 6 hour 45 minutes. So 6:06:45 hours. Next 10:25. So here 10:25 hours. here write change into the 12 hours clock time. Sorry, here change into the 24 clock time. No, here 24 means here it's a 5:35 p.m. Wait a second. So here 5:35 p.m. up to the 12 it's a 12, and I will take the clock. So here up to 12 is 12, and after 12 we will count as a it's a 13, 14. For 1 we will call as a 13, for 2 14, for 3 15, for 4 16, it's a 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. So here 5:35 p.m. 5 means it's a 17. 17 it's a 17:35 hours. Next 6:45. 6 means 18. 18:45. Next 10:25. 10 means 22. Next change into the 12 hours clock time. So here we have to, they have given in the 24 hours, these hours are in the 24 hours, so we have to change it into 12 hours clock time. So here A bit is 8:15 hours, so 8 and 15 am. Next 22 22. 22 means it's a 10. 10 22 it's a pm because it's at the night. Next 11 hours, so 11:00 am. Next 17:45. 17 means 5, so 05:45 it's a pm. Next 8:30 hours, so it's an 8:30 am. Next 0123 hours means it's a 1:23 am. So it's a, they have given in a 01, it's a night time, so 0123 means it's an am. So add the following units of time. Here 11 hours 22 minutes and 14 hours 59 minutes. Here add the minutes and add the hours. First here 22 minutes plus 59 minutes. So 22 plus 59 equals, it's an 81 minutes. Minutes means in minutes, how many minutes are there? 60 minutes. So here 81 minus 60. So equals, here 1, so 21 minutes. So here 1 hour 21 minutes. Here write 21 in the minutes column. So write here in the minutes, it's a 21 minutes. So write in the minutes 21 minutes and 1 carry over to the hours. So write here, write the 21 minutes in the minutes column and 1 carry over to the hours column. Next, add the hours. Here 11 hours plus 14 hours plus 1 carried. So here 11 plus 14 plus 1. 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6. So here 6, 26. So it's a 26 hours. So here write 26 hours in the hours column. Now here hours, minutes, hours, minutes, hours, minutes. First add the minutes. Here 32 minutes plus 23 minutes plus 56 minutes equals 32 plus 23 plus 56 equals it's a 111 minutes. So here 111 minus 60 equals, so it's a 51 minutes. So here 1 hour minutes. So here write 51 in a minutes column. And 1 carry over to the hours column. Now add the hours. Here 8 hours plus 9 hours plus 11 hours plus 1. 1 is carried. So equals 8 plus 9 plus 1. So 8 plus 9 plus 11 plus 1 is, it's a 29 hours. Now write 29 in the hours column. Next the CBT is 12 hours 10 minutes 35 seconds and 8 hours 45 minutes 45 seconds. Here hours, minutes and seconds. So here 12 hours 10 minutes and 35 seconds. Next 8 hours 45 minutes and 45 seconds. Here add the seconds. Here 35 seconds plus 45 seconds equals, so here it's an 80 seconds. Here 80 minus 60 equals, it's an 20 seconds. So write 20 seconds in the so here 1 minute 20 seconds. So write 20 seconds in the seconds column and 1 carry over to the minutes column. Now add the minutes. Here 10 minutes plus 45 minutes plus 1. This is carried over. So equals 10 plus 45 plus 1 is, so it's a 56 minutes. So less than 60. So write 56 minutes in the minutes column. Now add the hours. Plus 8. So 12 plus 8 equals, so 12 plus 8 is the 20 hours. So write 20 hours in the hours column. Here subtract the following units of time: 15 hours 38 minutes from 20 hours 44 minutes. So here the A bit is, here subtract the minutes. Here 38 15 hours 38 minutes from 20 hours 44 minutes. Here 44 minutes minus 38 minutes equals, here 44 minus 38 is, it's a 6 minutes. Now we have to write it in a column. So here hours and a minute. So hour is, it's a 15 hours. Sorry, it's a first 20 hours. And 44 minutes minus and 15 hours. Here write 6 minutes in the minutes column. In the minute column. Now subtract the hours. Here 20 hours minus 15 hours. So equals, it's a 5 hours. Next is the 16 hours 28 minutes from 23 hours. So here they have not given the minutes, so we have to take the 60 minutes. So here the B bit is subtract the minutes. Minutes minus 28 minutes. So that equals, it's a 32 minutes. Here write the 32 minutes in the minutes column. Next subtract the hours. Here 23 hours minus 16 hours equals, so it is, sorry, here not 22, here we have taken here 60 minutes. So from this 23 hours we have regroup here, so we have taken here 60 minutes. So here it should be at 22 hours, sorry, 16 hours. So 22 minus 16 equals, so it's a 6 hours. hours. So 2 minus 6 we can't subtract, so 12, so it should be 1. So it should be 6 hours. Here find the time duration between the following 9:40 am and 8:40 pm. So here we have to find the duration between the 9:40 am to 8:40 pm. So here 9:40 am to here 10 am. Next 10 am to it's a 8 pm. Next 8 pm to it's a 8:40 pm. So 9:40 to 10 is 40, 45, 50, 55 and a 60. So it's a 40 minutes, it's a 20 minutes difference. Next 10 to 8, 10, 11, 12, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's a 10 hours. Next 8 pm to 8:40. So it's a 40 minutes. Now add the minutes. Here 20 minutes plus 40 minutes equals it's a 60 minutes. So 60 minutes means it's a 1 hour. Next add the hours. Your 10 hours plus this 1 hour equals it's 11 hours. So the duration between the 9:40 to 8:40 is 11 hours. Next the B bit. Here 2, 5 to here 3 o'clock. So PM and right here PM. Next 3 to 11 PM. Next 11 to 11:20 PM. So here 2, 5. 5 to 10, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Means it's a 55 minutes. You do 60 minus 5. 60 minutes minus 5 minutes is 55 minutes. Next 3 to 11 is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it's a 7 hours. It's a 8 hours. Next 11 to 11:20. So it's a 20 minutes. Now here add the minutes. Here 55 minutes plus 20 equals. So I am writing here. Here 55 minutes plus 20 equals it's a 75 minutes. 75 minutes means 75 minus 60. minus 60 is, it's a 15 minutes. So 1 hour 15 minutes. So write 1 hour 15 minutes. Now add the hours. Here 8 hour plus this 1 hour. 8 plus 1 equals, it's a 9 hours 15 minutes. So the duration between 2:05 p.m. to 11:20 is 9 hours 15 minutes. Next, what will be the time? Use AM or a PM. Here 3 hours 20 minutes after 3:30 p.m. So here after 3:30 p.m. we have to add 3 hours 20 minutes. So add here 3 hours 30 minutes plus 2 hours 20 minutes. So 0 0, 3 plus 2 is 5, it's a 50 minutes. Now 3 plus 2 is, it's a 550. So add here 3 hours 30 minutes, no, 3 hours 30 minutes. So here 6 hours 50 minutes. Now, so the time is 6 hours 15 minutes, it's a PM. Next 1 hour 15 minutes after 12:15 AM. So here 12:15 AM, add 1 hour 15 minutes, 1 hour 15 minutes. So here 5 5 10, 2:03. So it's a 30 minutes. 12 plus 1, it's a 13. So here 12 plus 1 means 13. 13 means it's a 1 hour. So 1 o'clock. So 1:30 AM. So it should be 13:30 AM, or write this one as a 1:30 AM. So it's an AM means 1:30 AM. Solve the following. Here Madhu go to school at 8:20 AM and return at 3:30 PM. How long is she away from home? So write down here, she will go to school at 8:20 AM. 8:20 to 9 AM. Next 9 to 3. 9 to 3 PM. Next 3 to 3:30 PM. Here 8:20 to 9. So 20, 25, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. It's a 40 minutes. Next 9 hours to 3 PM. 9 AM to 3 PM is 9. 9 to 10, 10 to 11, 11 to 12, 12 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. So it's a 6 hours. Next 3 to 3:30. So it's a 30 minutes. First add the 30. First add the minutes. Here 40 minutes plus 30 minutes is 40 plus 30 equals, it's a 70 minutes. So 70 minus 60 equals, so it's a 10 minutes. So here this implies 1 hour 10 minutes. Next add the hours. Here 6 hours plus 1 hour. It's a 7 hours. So write down here, Madhu is away for 7 hours 10 minutes. Here Rita went swimming at 4:10 p.m. and returned at 6:05 p.m. How long was she away? So here start at 4:10 p.m. 4:10 p.m. to the 5 p.m. Next 5 to 6 p.m. Next 6 to 6:05 p.m. Here 4:10 to 5 is, it's a 50 minutes. Here do 60 minus 10. Here in the tens, in this 10 is a minutes. So in a minute 60 minutes are there. So 60 minus 10 you have to do. So we will get a 50 minutes. Now here 5 to 6, 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. is how much? It's a 5 to 6 is 1 hour. Next 6 to 5. 6 to 6:05 is, it's a 5 minutes. Next add the minutes here, 50 plus 5. So equals, it's a 55 minutes. So less than 60 minutes here. Now here 1 hour 55 minutes. So right here, Rita went swimming for here Rita, sorry, not Rita, return home in 1 hour 55 minutes. You answer the following questions. How many days are there in a year? So here 365 days. Next, how many days are there in a leap year? Here 366 days. So name all the months with 30 days. Here April, June, September and November. Name all the months with 31 days. So here January, March, May, July, August, October and December. How many days does February have in a leap year? So it's a 29 days. So write the following dates in short form. So here 8th March 2009. So in the short form it's a day, month, year. So here day is 8 and the month is 8. Sorry, month is 3 and the year is 2009. Here 17 June 2017. So here is the day, month, year. Here the day is 17 and the month is June. Means it's a January, February, March, April, May, June. In 6. So 2017. Find the number of days between the following. Here 10th August and 5th September. Here hint they have given, don't include the mentioned dates. So here count it from the 11th August to the 4th September. So days in August is it's a 31 days. Next, days in September equals it's a 4 days, no, 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't count the 5th day. Now, so the total number of days equals here 10. So 31 minus, remove the 10. So write down here 31 minus 10 equals it's a 21 days. Now total number of days equals here 21 plus 4 equals it's a 25 days. Next the BBT is 28 January to 13 February. So days in January, days in Jan equals, so 31 days. 31 days minus 28 equals, it's a 3 days. Next, days in Feb. So equals, it's a, don't count the 13, so it's a 12 days. Now the total number of days equals 12 plus 3 equals, it's a 15 days. Next, solve the following word problems. Mr. Veerappan took 23 days of leave from office if his last working day was 16 July. On what date did he have to join the office after leave? So his last working day was 16 July. So 16 July we won't consider, from the 17 July we have to consider, and he took a 23 days of a leave from a office. So here Mr. Veerappan was not on leave on the 16th July, so is not a part of 23 days of leave taken. Next, thus we count 23 days from 17th July. So here 17th July plus 23 days. So in the July, how many days? So 17, so 23 here. Wait a second. So July has 31 days. So write here 17, 18. So leave this 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 and 31. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. 14 days. Here 17 July plus 14 days. Here subtract 23 minus 14. So how much remaining here? 23 minus 14 is 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So it's a 9 days. Now add the 9 days. So here we have cut this 23 days in the 2 days. So here 14 days plus 9 days. Here 17 July to 14 days we will consider as a 31 days or 31st July. So here 31st July plus 9 days means after July it's a August. So it's a 9th August. So write it as. So here 31st July plus 9 means 9 days means it's a 9th August. So Mr. Veerappan joined back his office on 9th August. on the 9th August he joined back to the office. So I will stop the class now. Thank you.